Hey everybody, how you doing? Got another construction update for you today. This one is actually in the same big, huge development that we just reported on for the Outpost Armory, which is all the way over there. And so this one is right at the entrance to the new development going on right off New Salem Highway, right behind me right there. But this is the Trac gas station. And so nothing super exciting to report on, but it is a gas station, and it's the Trac gas station. But they're projecting that the completion on this day, the construction completion, there we go, I can talk, is going to be around the end of September, 1st of October for the grand opening date. So there you go. There's your construction update for today. Everybody have a great day.